right now. So I do like a full face if I don't have lashes, and then I just like curl it with mascara. And yeah, so this is my look for today. Just realized I have lashes in my locker, so I'm gonna put them on and I'll show you guys how it looks like after. Show you guys the difference with your makeup look with lashes. So lashes, this is what lashes is about. And by the way, I'm using Ebates lipstick, the matte one. I love it because it's so lightweight, it's very pigmented. I'm sad because I only took like 3 shades, but yeah, I'll ask my friend to buy some because she's in the Philippines right now. So yeah. Hi guys, so I am done with work. I'm actually gonna head to Walmart to buy some stuff, and I'll probably take you guys with me. If not, I might get carried away and not vlog like always. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys with my makeup. I actually use a different foundation. I didn't have lashes at first, but then I found lashes inside my locker, so I used them. So I use the Wet n Wild, what do you call it? Is it Wet n Wild? Let me show you guys. Hold on. Oh no, it's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I am in the shade 106, and yeah, I love it. It's still up to point. It's really lightweight. I like it. I'm oily on my T-zone, but I didn't get oily, so that's good. But I guess because I work inside a store and it's not hot, if that makes sense. So yeah, I use that, and then Anastasia brow pomade on my eyebrows, and then I use the ColourPop eyeliner, and then I use this as my lipstick. I love this one. See, I was eating adobo and it didn't even come off. It's like the color my lips, but better. This is the Ebates matte lipsticks in the shade Mirrored Mocha. I really love it. I want to retouch it, by the way. So I love it. Like, I love the scent. I love how it's lightweight. It's not too matte, so it doesn't feel like I have anything on there, and I didn't have to retouch all day. Of course, the inside, it's like fading, but still have the color. I love it, guys. And there's a smell. It's like a, you know, the vanilla extract that you use for baking. It smells like that, and it smells so good. This one I bought when I went to the Philippines last in, I think, May, and I didn't use it up to a few weeks ago when I went out with my boyfriend. So yeah, really love this one. And then I use the Wet n Wild, like always, which is the highlight and contour palette, if I can find it. It's this one. I already hit pan, so it's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring palette. So I hit pan on the contour. I really recommend this, guys. It's really good. I love it. And it's still up there. And I have highlight on. I use 2 shades from my favorite I Like Your Face palette from ColourPop. I use the 2 middle shades right here. This is called Upgrade and Bigger and Better. Really love those 2 shades together mixed. And then to top it off, I use, actually, this is my concealer for today. I'm sorry, I'm going all over the place, guys. I'm trying to get this as fast as I could, so I have time. So I have the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I use that to conceal my eyes, and to lock it all together, I use my MAC Studio Fix in powder foundation, and to top it off and lock it all together, I use my MAC Fix Plus. I love this. I love the smell. But I've used the Urban Decay again. I don't know if I vlogged that in the past, but I didn't like the smell at first, but I loved it because it kept my makeup all together. This one too, but sometimes if it's really hot, it washes off my makeup. And yeah, and then for my mascara, I use the Makeup Forever, I believe. Not sure what I use, but I'm pretty sure it's Makeup Forever from on my Ipsy bag. Yeah, so it's the travel size, the mini sample size Makeup Forever excessive lash, and I use it all over to curl my real lashes and then curl the bottom lashes, and that's pretty much I use for everyday makeup. I really try to use lipsticks that I don't normally use. I'm gonna try to do that this year, only because I wanna start using bolder shades. I don't know, I just like something new, but lately I've been going with like neutral mauve pinkish shade lately, and I don't know, I kind of like it too, but I'll try to incorporate like the darker shades and like the unusual shades with my makeup, since I normally just do this eye look. I don't do anything crazy, and yeah, so yeah, that's what I used today, guys. And I love my new hair, guys. Can't you see? Like, I really love it. So my side bangs is actually going this way, but I try to put it this way so that it looks more like it's straight, because my hair is naturally wavy and I don't like it the other way. And then I just bobby pin this side so it looks like that. So I really love this. So yeah. And by the way, I was on Twitter today. A lot of people were tweeting Makeup by Peta, yes, I follow her, that they found the ABH glow kits in Aurora. And so they found the glow kit, the gold one. I'll insert a picture right here. The Aurora palette and the blush palette there, and the some people also found Too Faced, the Christmas planner. I don't know what to call it. I think it's Best Year palette that just came out last December, or for Christmas season for 2017, and they found it there, and I was really wanting to get that one at Sephora, but they don't have it anymore because it was mainly for holiday season. And I was so bummed, and somebody posted that they found it at TJ Maxx. So I was like, oh, why? So hopefully they'll have it here in Hawaii in about a couple weeks or so, or in about a week, and I will try to find and get my hands on them because I really want those, like, as a collection. I mean, I have the Aurora already, but kind of bummed that I had to pay like full price, but you never know what you find at TJ Maxx anyway. So yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Hopefully I can vlog at Walmart. And yeah, the makeup section at Walmart. I'm trying to look for what is that? I want to try the Wet n Wild foundation because everyone was saying it's good. It's comparable to the Fenty. It's not here.
foundation. It's $5.14 here. Um, let's see what color. Classic beige, they have golden beige. That one's too pink for me. I'll probably be more of desert beige and golden beige. Ooh, okay, wait. They have buff beige too. I feel like this one is lighter. I'll be probably more of this. Let's see. It's a little bit lighter. That's only two. Probably this one. Now, this is the one I was talking about. They have two shades. Caramel coffee is the one I have in Portuguese. And these are $4.32. See the deal, guys. Oh, what? No, they have nail polish. It's like $1.84. These are gel. No, these are not gel. It's like regular nail polish. This one's cute. I don't need. I want to buy them online because it's cheaper. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this and try it out. Hopefully I like it. So it says no flashback. So the lash is 75 cents per pair. So I have fried eggplant, tilapia, and then I have tomatoes with fish sauce, and then shoyu and calamansi. If you haven't tried fried eggplant, like thin cut ones with shoyu, you're missing out. You just have to try it. It's so good. And I like it a little bit burnt. I don't know, I just like the taste of it. Yummy. And it still hasn't been fixed. Go ahead. Can we just go home already? Everyone is like, hello? Huh? So you don't like. This is really long, but yeah, I'll see you guys soon.